It's Friday morning, the 27th. Getting awake all night long with the wind tearing everything up. Everything is down. Surprisingly, not as much damage as thought. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning now. The wind's dying down a little. Still sprinkling off and on. Big pine tree, and there's some on the other side too. Yeah, look at this, man. Just pushed them up. Look at that. There's that big one. Big old pine trees. That's 2 pine trees. So 3 total so far right there on that one side with the wind coming through. No electricity, no water, no cell phone service. Man, well, considering the strength of the wind, that's not bad. Okay. Well, I'm sure there's more damage on the fence. Man. Alright, I'm not going to go through there. I'm going to walk back the short way back to the house.
Well, backyard's kind of a mess. And there is a tree down on the fence, but it doesn't look like it damaged the fence too much, if at all. So here come the chainsaw men to try to chop it down. Oh, Be careful. Just what he needs is a feet. Oh my God, I don't think I'd be cutting that right there, but anywho. Oh, all right. Well, that was easy.
I think we can move this out of the tree. Go ahead and take this out.
Do you want to cut more off? Oh, jeez. I saw more off. Oh, my God. Jeez. I think I'd have cut smaller pieces.
Yeah, that tree all on the power line there. Man. Trees are down. There's another one.
Not Butler, right?
No, it's
Oh yeah, sorry.
So you think
Man.
the cable guys came and cleaned this up?
No, we think just the community.
Yeah, we think just men with their chainsaws did. I don't
Just
think
by
the
us out
guys
there
did
working.
anything but come look at their own chainsaw. I think the cable guys just came to make sure their stuff was still here. Yeah, look at all this.
Man, look at that big trees.
That's what Trey
Oh,
said.
man.
Shouldn't the county pay for all this, or is it because
No.
it's in their yard they have to do that?
Yeah, that's their private property.
House insurance
Look
won't
at that.
cover it, will it?
I don't know.
Like I was thinking, you could file on your house insurance for us to get the tree guys.
Yeah, except for the one tree, yeah. Well, two trees, big tree there. Man, there's a lot of trees down.
Their neighbor's tree, though.
They're lucky they didn't crash into the houses.
Yeah.
I'm sure there are some that's crashed into houses, but there's a lot of trees
Jessica's
here.
House.
Trees and more trees.
we didn't
Stairs
close.
down.
Oh.
They've got a crane out there or whatever that thing is.
Yeah, trees down everywhere here.
Yeah.
Man,
But this,
look at this.
how many there are.
Like,
Big
if they can't
pine
afford to clean
trees.
that up, it's just gonna look like this forever. Like, that's crazy. I think house insurance
That's
should
a
cover
lot
that.
of money.
Yeah.
Used to be it's like $300, $400 a tree, but now
I
with
think
timber
they charge
prices, they're not.
thousands now, yeah.
Man,
And you know all these people.
yeah,
Oh wow. Look
man,
I don't think it's gonna be too bad.
yeah.
I mean, just barely.
At that. Yeah, as long as it didn't get where the water can come in the house.
On the main road, look at this.
Oh,
These old Annie's bed and breakfast. Look at that.
no.
Wow, and they just paid to have them
Look at that.
all on the fireman's house.
The firehouse has trees all over it. Eh?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yep. Red lights are out. You
Can't
gotta be
believe
careful.
Jenna's little plastic pot. What the hell?
Look at that big tree over there. Oh my goodness. These lights are out too. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Lights are out everywhere. You gotta be careful.
And how many days did you think the water come from?
I don't know. This isn't good. here too. Man,
The whole thing is filled up with water. That is insane.
look at that.
Look at the inside.
Oh, is it
Red
hot?
lights. Red lights out here. Guess we gotta wait.
You can be in the rain and all that, but it just would not be as, I wouldn't even want to rent a car if I could help it.
Where are you gonna go?
We'll let them go. A lot of water everywhere. Whoa, let me put the window back up here. Yeah, that tree there's
Big
all,
old thing hanging out.
all mangled up.
Three guys are gonna break it in.
Is
And
that
the
another
poor
power line?
workers-
That power line is
Oh
tricky.
yeah, that snapped. I didn't remember that. No.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to Japan?
Let's see.
China, like Beijing, the capital, was so
Yeah, these trees are all
such
gone.
pollution. People had to wear
20%.
masks.
Yeah.
Yeah, trees down
Pollution
everywhere.
In Japan.
Look at this.
Let's say
You
Mary.
contact the insurance company
Man.
about the damage. Joan Miller called and asked her.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh man. The church.
man, Aiken got it. All the street lights are down.
And no street lights, no electricity anywhere.
Tony's gonna be giving me an I told you so on that generator.
Well, I wanted to do it, but then
Somebody can make
Okay.
a phone call.
look at this. Man, that's big trees
Don't get
down, aren't they? Look at that. Okay. The red lights are out everywhere.
Power line too.
Yeah, all over
Oh,
down the
wow.
power line. Look at that power line down on the sidewalk.
Yep.
Look up here.
And they haven't even had a chance to come get this one.
Man.
It's gonna be a big
Tree.
spot.
No,
Yeah, this is
power
a
lines are out
highway.
everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, good gracious. Look at that. Look at these power lines. They are drooping. Look at these trees. Man, that storm caused a lot of problems here.
Widespread, wasn't it?
Yeah, they've already cleaned up in here, but there's a lot of debris still. Huh?
Man, did they? Yeah, it's if it poked a hole in it, I'd be.
Yeah, this doesn't look too bad.
The back.
Oh, I just saw a big one in the back.
Just a few. Okay. Let me, I'll come around on this side.
So
Just-
we got.
Stuff blown over. Okay.
Oh no.
I'll go to the backyard and see what we got going on, eh? Man, they've already got them out there working. Look at that big tree. Well, good thing is it blew away from the house, eh? Okay. That fence is down there. I'll just film this. Is property owners
I'm sorry.
that is the hospital out of power now?
They use generators.
Yeah,
They've got their diesels running.
yeah. That's why they got all these people working to restore power to the hospital. Probably.
That's right.
You don't have power, do you?
No.
No.
Nobody in Calmia Landing has.
Nobody in Aiken.
Except, well, there's 2 houses here that have generators.
Yeah. This doesn't look too bad. The neighbor over there said there's no power anywhere in Calmia Landing. And he said this big power line, that big power line goes to the hospital right over there. That's why they're trying, they run in diesel generators at the hospital right now. And said they got to get the power to the hospital first.
Oh.
But all these lines down here,
They have things already like that.
Well, they do, generators.
Oh.
they're running the generators. Yeah, this side looks okay. Yeah. Yeah. So, where's it down up here over the power line?
So that guy just.
Look at this. What a mess. Man, trees down everywhere over here. Then right here, the power line.
Yeah, that's scary.
Look at that. The power pole's broken off at the
Yeah.
top. Just hanging there with the tree.
Yeah.
Dominion Energy. You got it.
How are these people gonna get across?
Here on the left is closed.
Yeah.
Walmart's empty.
Yeah, Walmart.
Nobody in Walmart because they don't have power probably.
No.
Look at that. It's empty.
That gas station is empty.
Everything's empty.
Yeah.
Might not be able to get gas.
And look at that.
Yeah, it's power. Look at that power line.
I think that's the worst
Oh
one.
man,
Yep.
that is a mess.
What is this bozo doing? Really?
Really.
I can't believe they don't even have phones out here. Yeah.
Look at that. Well, I guess they figured it's big enough you can see it.
Yeah, but they better do something at night.
All right.
I guess zipper, like one way, one the other way.
Yep.
So,
Yeah, your office building's still good over there. Here's our old house.
It looks good. The palm trees are up. Oh, look at, is that a tree down
Uh-oh.
on the guest house or? Oh no, it's behind the
No,
guest
it's
house.
behind back there.
Oh, well,
Doesn't look too bad.
Wow, look
Oh,
at that tree
man.
right there.
Oh yeah, in the park.
Yep.
Man.
Down. Roots
Yep.
are
So you're gonna
Big-
have to be in the left lane if you're going to boy.
Oh yeah.
there and there.
Yeah. You got it now, Trey.
Oh, look at these down. Man.
Huh?
On the right.
Blocking the road down there.
Oh man.
Whoa,
Big
both
old
sides of that
trees.
road are
One,
blocked.
one right after the other. 3 or 4 of them. Big trees.
Imagine this happened a little bit before Aiken SC. That wasn't that long
Oh
ago.
Yeah.
my gosh.
Look at that.
Hauled off, I bet.
People might
This is
see
St. Mary's.
it.
Look at that.
Oh wow.
Look at the power.
Oh, look at those
Look at
big
the
trees
power
there.
lines.
Power lines
Holy
down. Oh my
criminy.
goodness.
What a mess.
I'm not seeing any
Blocking that
damage
whole
to St.
side
Angela
over there.
Hall, though, specific. Oh no, there is something down there.
We
Like a
can go
piece of
around.
Yeah, the power line. Not getting close to that. Oh man. Over here too. Okay. I'm gonna have to look at that broken off at the top. The power transformer hanging over here. Oh man. Gotta catch up with them. Okay. This is where Jenna teaches. St. Mary Help of Christians Catholic School. Survey the damage. Man. The sign across the top, I guess. No power.
We don't know where that piece came from. And then there's, look at that awning that goes over like the cafeteria and the stairs up there. See it all down?
Oh yeah. Man.
I don't think you're going to school on Monday.
That's the church over there. Man. Well, I guess they were praying during the storm. No power, and not going to be power for a long time. Seeing all this, man. Trees are down. Power poles snapped. Big monster trees are down. Look at this. I don't want to get over there, but all the power lines. I'm sure the power company has all this to cut off for safety reasons, but still, look at that. Man. That came crashing down. Oh yeah. Let's look at the insulator. All the way through the park. Man, it's gonna take a while to restore power. Look here, more power lines down. Everywhere we go, the power is out. Look at that power line. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't get too close over there. Get that power pole. Yeah, it's gonna be a while before they restore power, I think. Look at that.
That is something.
Yeah.
What a mess.
Now you can go, I think.
I got there
You
first.
should be able to.
And the
Look at these cars sitting in the water.
Oh man, that guy's sitting in a foot of water.
Look at that. Where you look, there's meth. Look at that. Trees down everywhere. Well, look at this. Okay. Yeah, but
Slow, buddy.
Yeah, I'm going.
fire department.
Is that a kid?
It was
'cause they're all
couch town.
volunteers.
It's a
What, is
volunteer.
it broke down?
Yeah, oh no.
Yeah,
Oh,
he
is
was
that
bogged.
all
He
that
was
is?
bogged down over there,
my
Why in the
gosh.
world did they go in there?
Maybe
trying to
to
get
get
us
away from
off
that?
the.
Or if
The
somebody
tree off
the
didn't
power line.
move over.
Oh, so the fire right here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't think you can get past that tree up there.
I don't think so.
Columbia County was the center of it all. 90% are without power.
Well,
Oh wow, is he
he's
stuck
trying
or
to.
is he
Yeah,
putting
the power
something?
line. They're working on the power line.
Oh, yay.
Yeah, but
Look
we
at
don't know
that.
if it's ours.
No, but did the
At
fact
least
that
they're here.
that company is on what?
Way to get to something that we need.
It's exciting.
Man, trees just blocked everything, didn't it? Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep.
Look at that, man. And up here too.
I turned right.
Yeah.
Yes.
But don't turn left to go to the dump. Just keep staying on this road.
Okay. Where doesn't that?
Look at this. They had to clean all this out.
I think it's good my way.
It's crazy.
Man.
System.
Look at
Look at this.
Wow. So Trey, this road, if you go backwards, like back the opposite way, that's the Couchton area.
If I go that way?
Yeah.
Yep.
He was asking about us, like living in the Couchton area, and I said,
Yep. Power lines down everywhere. Oh Man.
Well, that makes sense. Oh, look at that tree down.
Where?
This
There
one
you
right
go.
here is.
Yeah. Snapped off.
See all these horse people?
Yeah, there's gonna be a bunch of people here
Maybe
getting
I
water
should have put
Wait,
something
tell-
out
where
the
do I
spring.
park? Where do I park
Just
behind?
pull behind one of these trucks.
Right to the left, that red truck there.
Well, or
Oops. Water, water, and more water. Yeah.
All right.
All
so
this
we
water.
feel like this is all good, right?
Trey's gonna drive real slow. Man, water run on the spring.
Be okay.
is what?
That one right there on the left. I feel like that would topple over and spill.
Oh well.
Yeah.
Man,
Truck's pulling out
some of these people filling up big old 500-gallon things.
Yep. Fine, but
Yeah, I know. I got the river.
It's got an alert. Mandatory curfew starting Friday at 7:30, run until Saturday.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're not allowed to be out beyond 7:30.
Road
or we'll
conditions
get
are
arrested.
dangerous. Do not travel after 7:30 p.m.
Yeah, just read
There
that.
Hold
we
on,
go.
hold on. No, you're fine. We'll do it when we get home.
Man.